Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamala and you're watching Shimmy's Kitchen. Today I'm making Muslim style chicken korma. Korma is a curry that can be made with chicken, mutton or vegetables. So let's see how to make this easy Muslim style chicken curry. Let's start. Bismillah. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoon oil in a pressure cooker. Add 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 mace, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon. Saute for a second. And next I'm adding 1 large finely chopped onion. Saute till it becomes translucent. Add 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for a second. And next I'm going to add 500 grams chicken with bones. Fry this till it changes the color. And now add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Add all these masalas and mix it up nicely. And next I'm adding 2 chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Add pinch of nutmeg powder. Give a mix and cook till tomatoes become mushy. And now add 1 green chilli, some fresh mint leaves and some fresh coriander leaves. And to this I'm adding 2 tablespoon curd. Give this a nice mix and cook this for 2 minutes in a medium-high heat. And next I'm going to add 1 cup water. And now I'm going to close the lid of pressure cooker and pressure cook this for 2 whistles. Once pressure goes off, open the lid. Add 1 cube coconut paste. 1 cube is equal to 2 tablespoons. And now cook this for 5 minutes in a slow flame till oil separates. So guys, Muslim style chicken korma is ready to serve. This korma can be served with roti, naan, zeera rice or steamed rice. This chicken korma is very easy to make. So give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, give me a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Please leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Take care. Allah Hafiz.